Marqos chapter 11. And when they came near Jerusalem, to Beit-Phagi and Beit-Anya, at the Mount of Olives, he sent out 2 of his taught ones, and said to them, Go into the village opposite you, and immediately entering into it, you shall find a colt tied, on which no one has sat. Loosen it and bring it. And if anyone says to you, Why are you doing this? Say, The master needs it, and shall send it back straight away. So they went away and found the colt tied by the door outside on the street, and they loosened it. And some of those standing there said to them, What are you doing, loosening the colt? And they said to them as Yahushua had said, so they let them go. And they brought the colt to Yahushua, and threw their garments on it, and he sat on it. And many spread their garments on the way, and others were cutting down branches from the trees, and were spreading them on the way. And those going before and those following cried out, saying, Hoshiana, blessed is he who is coming in the name of Yahweh. Blessed is the coming reign of our father David, in the name of Yahweh, Hoshiana in the highest. And Yahushua went into Jerusalem, and into the set-apart place, and having looked around on all, he went out to Beit-Anya with the 12, as the hour was already late. And on the next day, when they had come out from Beit-Anya, he was hungry. And seeing at a distance a fig tree having leaves, he sent to see whether he would find any fruit on it. And when he came to it, he found none but leaves, for it was not the season for figs. And Yahushua responding said to it, Let no one eat fruit from you ever again. And his taught ones heard it, and they came to Jerusalem. Yahushua, entering into the set-apart place, began to drive out those who bought and sold in the set-apart place, and overturned the tables of the money changers and the seats of those selling doves. And he did not allow anyone to carry a vessel through the set-apart place. And he was teaching, saying to them, Has it not been written, My house shall be called a house of prayer for all nations, but you have made it a den of robbers? And the scribes and the chief priests heard it, and they were seeking how to destroy him, for they feared him, because all the crowd was astonished at his teaching. And when evening came, he went out of the city. And in the morning, passing by, they saw the fig tree dried up from the roots. Then Kepha, remembering, said to him, Rabbi, look, the fig tree which you cursed has withered. And Yahushua answering said to them, Have belief in Elohim. For truly I say to you, whoever says to this mountain, Be removed and be thrown into the sea, and does not doubt in his heart, but believes that what he says shall be done, he shall have whatever he says. Because of this I say to you, whatever you ask when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you shall receive them. And whenever you stand praying, if you hold whatever against anyone, forgive, so that your Father in the heavens shall also forgive you your trespasses. But if you do not forgive, neither shall your Father in the heavens forgive you your trespasses. And they came again to Jerusalem, and as he was walking in the set-apart place, the chief priests and the scribes and the elders came to him, and they said to him, By what authority are you doing these? And who gave you this authority to do these? And Yahushua answering said to them, I shall ask you one question, and answer me, and I shall say to you by what authority I do these. The immersion of Yochanan, was it from heaven or from men? Answer me. And they reasoned among themselves, saying, If we say from heaven, he shall say, Then why did you not believe him? But if we say from men, they feared the people, for all held that Yochanan was a prophet indeed. And answering they said to Yahushua, We do not know. And Yahushua answering said to them, Neither do I say to you by what authority I do these.